Hi folks, welcome to Dutchy Cooking, where today we're going to be cooking this ultimate Spanish cod in a tomato sauce. Dutch oven cooking, cast iron cooking, live fire cooking, or you're just here for the recipes, don't forget to subscribe. So I'm just going to pop a 10-inch skillet on here to get warmed up. When it's warmed up, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Just going to coat the bottom of the pan with the olive oil. I've got 2 cod fillets that I've cut in half. I'm just going to add these to the skillet and get these cooking. We're going to cook these for about 2 minutes each side. Now we're just going to flip them over, cook the other side. Now it's had 2 minutes on the other side. We're going to remove these from the skillet. I'm just going to put them to one side. So to the skillet now, I'm going to add 1 small finely chopped onion. You can hit this with some garlic, 3 finely sliced garlic cloves. I'm just going to cook this out for about 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes. We don't want it to brown, we just want it to soften and go translucent. Now I'm going to start to add some colour to this. I've got half a chopped red pepper, half a chopped green pepper. I'm going to mix these in and we're going to cook this for about 2 minutes just till the pepper starts softening. Now we're going to start seasoning. I've got 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, and half a teaspoon of good smoked paprika. And to add to this, we're just going to put half a teaspoon of sugar. Stir this in. Just want to cook this paprika for about 1 minute. Just the smell of that paprika cooking is amazing. Now that's cooked. I'm going to add 400 millilitres of tomato puree or tomato passata. So I'm just going to give this a stir, and then we're going to cook this out for about 5 minutes. If you're a YouTuber and would like a shout out on our next video, all you've got to do is subscribe, like this video and leave a comment, and I'll pick someone out for next week's video. So this week's shout out goes to Smoking Bears. Lee's making some fantastic videos over there. Go and check his channel out. So this has had about 5 minutes of simmering. Now we're going to add the cod back to it. Now that the cod's back in, what we're going to do is put a lid on, and we're going to let this simmer for about 5 minutes just to warm the cod through. So that's it, the cod's ready. I was going to do some potato bravas for this, but since we've got the tomato sauce, it's just some fried potatoes, some crispy bread. I'm not going to be doing a taste test on this, as me and seafood have an understanding. I don't like seafood, and seafood doesn't like me. This is a truly rustic dish. It's served straight out the pan, ready to share. If you like what we're doing here at Dutchy Cooking, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell.